Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW X3 backseat. First, let's gather the essential tools you'll need for this task. Make sure you have a trim removal tool, a socket wrench, and perhaps a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Understanding the basic steps beforehand will make the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's tackle the seat base. The rear seat bottom is typically held in place by clips. You'll need to locate the release points, usually at the front corners of the seat. Grab the front of the seat base firmly with both hands and pull upwards. It might require a good, strong pull to release the clips. Once disengaged, lift the seat base and slide it forward to completely remove it from the vehicle. With the seat base removed, we can now focus on the seat back. Many BMW X3 models have remote release levers in the cargo area to fold down the seat backs, which can make accessing mounting points easier. Look for any bolts, often 16mm, securing the seat back to the vehicle's frame, usually at the bottom. After unbolting, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for heated seats or airbags before lifting the seat back out. When reinstalling, simply reverse the steps, ensuring all connections are secure and bolts are properly tightened. Always double-check that the seat is firmly in place before driving. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below, along with other exclusive deals. Your safety and comfort are paramount, so take your time and do it right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.